Okay, hello, good evening everyone. Ada Bro Fian, si Salma, and si Fanny.
Good evening, Sis Ana.
Hey, finally Bro Fian ada ya.
Iya, Sis. Baru pulang nih, Sis. Baru pulang banget.
Jam kerjanya sampai jam berapa Bro Fian?
Sebenarnya cuma sampai jam 5. Cuman
Ah,
cuman biasalah, Sis.
ini ada project-project gitu yang harus diselesaikan ya.
Ada kerjaan tak terduga. Apa, Sis? Kerjaan tak terduga itu apa, Sis?
Apa ya
What
kerjaan? Enggak,
is
maybe
name for
you can say,
the... Hah?
you can say maybe additional assignment kayak kerjaan tambahan,
Nah, iya sih, lebih ke situ ya. Additional
assignment.
assignment.
Iya, gini tulisannya. Assignment atau additional task itu juga nggak apa-apa. Okay, alright, alright. How are you today, Bro Fian, si Salma, and si Fanny?
Uh, so far it's so good. All is well.
Oh, itu well. Okay, alright. Welcome, Sis Ina yang baru datang. How are you, Sis
Good eve-
Ina?
good evening, Miss. I'm
I'm
very tired.
very tired. You have a lot of work done today.
Yes. Izin silent reader ya.
Oh iya ya, boleh, boleh, boleh. Nggak apa-apa.
Yeah, thank you.
Nah, silent listener kali ya, Sis ya.
Oh iya, oke. Thank you.
Oke, ada Bro Christian juga. Since our first meeting, I haven't heard Bro Christian's voice. Dari meeting pertama kita belum pernah dengar suaranya Bro Christian atau Sis Christian. Oke. Oh ya, Sis Ina itu yang namanya Rina ya?
Iya, betul.
Oh, oke, ini ya, ya. Ada di daftar yang namanya Rina. Kita emang ada yang namanya Rina. Oh, itu Sis Ina ya.
Iya, oke, thank you, Miss.
So for today, guys, we will talk about this one. It's about mana ini? Giving advice and suggestion. Alright. Related to advice and suggestion, terkait sama advice and suggestion, Sis Fanny ada?
Yes, sis.
Sis Fanny, when was the last time you give suggestion to other people? Kapan terakhir kali Sis Fanny give suggestion ke orang lain?
About
About,
five
about
5 hours ago.
5 hours ago. What is it about?
Is it about job? Of course.
About
She asked me. Actually, my colleague got a problem with her internet connection, so she asked me how to fix it, but I couldn't help her because I don't have skill related about it. So I suggest her to ask the IT team to call the IT call center. And then, yeah, she did it and the problem solved.
okay, finally the problem solved. So it was
Yeah.
today, yes, this year 5 hours ago.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so for giving advice and suggestion. Kalau advice itu kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita lebih ke nasihat. Kalau suggestion itu sifatnya saran, jadi menyarankan gitu, merekomendasikan. Jadi kalau advice biasanya untuk seseorang yang levelnya mungkin nggak bisa dibilang lebih bawah gitu ya dari kita yang memberikan advice. Misal dari orang tua ke anak, dari teacher ke student, atau dari atasan ke staff-nya gitu. Nah, itu advice. Kalau saran ini lebih ke casual, mungkin antar teman, antar kolega gitu. Itu lebih ke saran gitu. Dan itu tergantung konteksnya juga. And for today we will discuss about expression, how to giving advice and suggestion in English. Jadi gimana caranya untuk memberikan advice dan suggestion dalam bahasa Inggris. Probably I would like to ask Bro Fadli. Ya, Bro Fadli, can you please read? Boleh tolong dibaca yang sebelah sini, Bro Fadli.
Yes, Miss. Advice, you should study hard. We ask for the positive sentence. You should not, shouldn't lie to your mom. We ask for the negative sentence. Should I, subject, what should I do? What should I say? Nggak kelihatan.
Oh, nggak kelihatan yang paling
For
bawah.
asking and advice.
To someone.
To someone.
Ini nggak kelihatan ya, Bu ya, paling bawahnya. Ada ketutupan sesuatu kah? Oke,
Should-
thank you Bro Fadli. Nah,
Oke, Miss.
lanjut.
Welcome.
Yang sebelah sini. Si Salma available kah atau masih di jalan?
So on the right, but okay.
Baik, si Salma, please read yang sebelah kanan ya, sis ya.
Okay. I would recommend you to speak up more. We use for the positive sentence. I would recommend you to watch this channel. We use for the negative sentence. I would suggest you doing this now. We use for the positive sentences.
Oke, thank you si Salma.
Thank you.
Iya, si Salma device-nya ganti kah? Biasanya suaranya clear, hari ini agak ada noisy gitu.
Still in the road.
I see. Oke, thank you ya sis ya.
Thank you.
Alright, ini dia teman-teman untuk advice yang tadi nasihat, kita bisa pakai should. Should ini lebih ke nasihat yang sifatnya nyuruh gitu. Bisa diartikan sebagai seharusnya atau sebaiknya gitu. You should study hard. Kamu seharusnya belajar dengan giat. We use this for the positive sentence untuk menyuruh melakukan sesuatu. Nah, kalau yang kedua, you shouldn't, kita dibacanya itu L-nya silent ya, teman-teman. Jadi should. Ini juga. You should. Jadi bukan should, tapi should. You should study hard. Untuk yang kedua itu you should not, atau bisa disingkat shouldn't. You shouldn't lie to your mom. Kamu tidak seharusnya berbohong ke ibumu. Nah, itu kan sifatnya larangan ya. Larangan untuk melakukan sesuatu. Gitu. Kita bisa pakai shouldn't. Kalau misal mau menanyakan, meminta nasihat gitu ya dari orang lain, bisa pakai yang ini. Tinggal dibalik aja, kalau tadi you should, itu kita menanyakan what should I do? Artinya apa yang seharusnya aku lakukan? Atau what should I say? Apa yang seharusnya saya katakan? Ini for asking an advice to someone. Asking itu artinya meminta. Jadi ini untuk meminta nasihat ke seseorang. Gitu. Ini yang nasihat. Yang selanjutnya ada suggestion, saran. I would recommend you to. Recommend. Sama kayak bahasa Indonesia juga ada ya, merekomendasi gitu. Saya merekomendasikan kamu untuk bla bla bla. Contohnya ada I would recommend you to speak up more. Aku merekomendasikan kamu untuk lebih speak up gitu, untuk lebih berbicara. Untuk lebih berani berbicara. We use this for the positive sentence. Positive sentence itu menyarankan untuk melakukan sesuatu. Nah, kalau yang kedua ada not-nya untuk negative sentence itu larangan yang kayak sebaiknya nggak dilakukan gitu. I would not recommend you to watch The Venom. Aku tidak merekomendasikan kamu untuk menonton The Venom. The Venom ini nama judul salah satu film. Mungkin karena filmnya itu kurang gitu dari segi visualnya dan lain sebagainya. I would not recommend you to watch The Venom. And then the next ada I would suggest you. Jadi selain pakai recommend, kita juga bisa pakai suggest. I would suggest you doing this now. Aku menyarankan kamu untuk melakukan ini sekarang juga. We use for the positive sentence. Untuk negatif sentence-nya yang larangan gitu ya, menganjurkan untuk tidak melakukan sesuatu sama tinggal ditambahin note-nya aja. I would not suggest you for doing this now. Contohnya gitu. Oke, this is for advice and suggestion. Masih ada yang lain juga, other expression yang bisa teman-teman pakai untuk memberikan saran atau nasihat. Probably I would like to ask mungkin Bro Fian.
Oke.
Ya,
Uh,
please read bro semuanya.
I read advice or suggestions, sis?
Both of them semuanya nggak apa-apa.
Oh, but often. Okay. Okay. Other expression advice you should. I advise you to. If I were you, you could. Suggestion. I suggest. I recommend. How about you might want to.
Oke, thank you Bro Fian.
Okay. Thank you, sis.
Yap. Ini teman-teman other expression yang bisa dipakai untuk memberikan advice dan suggestion. Yang pertama ada you should, sama ya kayak tadi kamu seharusnya gitu. Bisa juga I advise you to, aku menganjurkan kamu untuk melakukan bla bla bla. Ini bisa diisi kayak anjurannya, nasihatnya itu apa. Bisa juga kita pakai if I were you, kalau aku jadi kamu gitu. Biasanya kan kita kalau kasih nasihat kadang gitu ya. If I were you, kalau aku jadi kamu, I will bla bla bla. Aku akan melakukan seperti ini, seperti ini. You could itu kamu bisa melakukan ini, kamu bisa melakukan itu. Gitu, kasih nasihat. And then suggestion. Suggestion ini bisa pakai I suggest, I recommend yang tadi. Bedanya ini nggak ada would-nya. Terus bisa juga how about. How about ini nanti kayak menanyakan gitu. Misal ada kita kasih saran, gimana kalau gini aja, gimana kalau gitu aja. Nah, gitu. Kita bisa pakai how about. How about you come early to the office? Gimana kalau kamu datangnya agak pagian gitu ke kantor, misalnya kayak gitu. You might want to, kamu mungkin mau melakukan ini. Gitu. Ini juga bisa. Oke, that's all the short material for today. Itu materi singkat untuk hari ini. And I want to ask you, sis Anda mau minta bro and sis untuk pilih satu aja yang mana yang mau jadi senjatanya teman-teman. Because after this I will give you a problem. Di sana habis ini akan ada kasih beberapa masalah and you have to give advice and suggestion to the people that face that problem. Untuk orang yang sedang menghadapi masalah itu. Oke, boleh dipilih dulu mau pakai yang mana yang akan jadi senjatanya.
If I were you.
Boleh, Bro Fian yang itu. Yang teman yang lain juga boleh ya, pilih satu aja. Satu atau dua. Ya, oke. Sudah ya. Let's directly. Ada yang mau ditanyain dulu, teman-teman? Kalau ada yang mau ditanyain, nggak apa-apa ya. Nanti di ini aja, disampaikan aja pertanyaannya. I have some problems. Sis Ana punya beberapa masalah. Please give advice or suggestion for the people in the situation. Teman-teman, tolong berikan nasihat atau saran untuk orang yang ada di situasi ini. The first situation. Situasi yang pertama adalah untuk smoking ya, yang bapak-bapak deh, Bro Fadli. Bro Fadli, I want to quit smoking. What should I do, Bro Fadli?
If you want to quit smoking, I suggest you to kalau menghisap itu mengemut candy, permen.
Alright, bisa pakai eat, bro, eat candy.
You can eat a candy or you menjaga jarak dari people or person yang 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 sering melakukan smoking in public area or someone atau di suatu tempat gitu sis.
I see,
Ya
I see.
sis.
So it can be and take some distance ya bro ya from the smoker. Dari orang-orang
From
yang
the smoker,
iya,
yes,
perokok itu
yes,
kita nyebutnya smoker.
smoker, yes,
Right, okay.
miss.
Yeah. Have you ever tried smoking, Bro Fadli?
Yes, I
Okay.
smoker.
Oh, you are a smoker. Okay. Ya, tadi ya perokok itu smoking. Tapi kalau misal kita mau nyebut rokoknya, bendanya itu adalah ini. Cigarette.
Cigarette, yeah,
Jadi
cigarette.
sometimes ada orang yang karena merokok itu kan smoking. Berarti kalau rokok smoke bukan. Kalau smoke ini artinya asap.
Asap ya,
Iya,
smoke.
kalau rokoknya, bendanya itu kita pakainya cigarette. Oke, thank you Bro Fadli.
Cigarette. Oke, welcome, Sis Ana.
Yes. Lanjut, ada for si Salma. Si Salma, I won $100,000 and I don't know how to spend it. What should I do, si Salma?
If you have $10,000, maybe you should make a post for that money so you can budgeting to many things you want, maybe for your parents, and you can post it to your study or for your children, and that's it maybe.
I see, I see. All right. So, what is the most important thing to do? The first thing that I have to do.
Hmm. You should give charity because some of your money is theirs too.
I see, I see. So I have to take my money for those who in need, yeah?
Yeah, that's
See.
money.
Okay, thank you, Sis Salma.
Thank you.
Charity, kegiatan amal. Good. Lanjut, ada sis Bro Fian.
Okay, sis.
Bro Fian, I hate working. What should I do, bro?
I hate working. What should I do? I can do the best and keep trying, keep spirit.
Keep trying.
Yeah, because um because apa ya? Bentar, sis. Pikir dulu.
Ya, bro.
Yaitu I can do the best or anything and keep trying because what should I do besides work? Karena emang nggak ada yang bisa aku lakukan selain mengerjakan.
The suggestion is just keep working ya, bro ya.
And and stay cool and keep working, sis.
Stay cool and keep working because I need money. All right, okay. Yes, there is a logic reason, yeah. Keep working. Thank you, Bro Fian.
Oke, sis.
Ya, lanjut. For Sis Ina gimana? Sudah available kah? Atau masih mau jadi listener?
Okay, Miss. Okay.
Sis Ina, I feel sad. What should I do, Sis Ina?
Okay, you can do hangout with your friend or window shopping or praying.
Mhm.
Dan maybe deep breath ya, biasa menarik nafas dalam-dalam
Mhm.
biar lebih kalem gitu, biar lebih tenang. Begitu.
To calming down. What do
Ya.
you usually do when you feel sad, Sis Ina?
I'm listening the music or call my friend to
Mm-mm.
tell about my problem.
I see.
Begitu, itu aja sih.
Okay, share your story to your friend about your problem.
Yes.
I see.
Sometimes I need a suggest from my friend.
Yeah, sometimes. Okay, tadi Sis Ina ada ini ya, take a deep breath. Tarik nafas dalam-dalam artinya.
Yeah.
Ya. Okay, thank you Sis Ina.
Thank you, Miss.
Ya, lanjut number 5. We have Sis Fanny. Sis Fanny, I keep losing my credit card. What should I do, Sis Fanny?
Using credit card. I advise you to just don't have credit card because nowadays it's not cardless, right? We can use mobile banking for our transaction, and personally I would not recommend you to have a credit card, because if you didn't use it wisely, you can uh how to say, terjebak itu apa ya?
Trap?
Trapped in debt, I guess. Trapped in debt if you didn't use it wisely.
I see. Have you ever tried to own a credit card, Sis Fanny?
Yes, once.
When?
It's
And?
it's just because there's a promo when we are open have new one. We can get a big teddy bear doll at that time, so I interest too. But I just use it once, and then yeah, I didn't use it anymore.
Oh, I see. So you close that credit
Yep.
card.
Yep, exactly.
Isn't that hard, Sis Fanny, to close credit card?
No, actually, we just need to call the customer center, and then I just say I want to close my credit card, but they just keep uh uh how to say, begging you not to close. I
Yeah,
think the
exactly.
customer care.
That's what I mean
There's
by
so
hard.
many reasons.
Okay, but finally you can close it.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, the customer service have 10,000 ways to convince
Yeah,
you to keep using credit card.
because it's their job.
Yes, because it's their job, of course. Okay, thank you, Sis Fanny.
Yeah.
The next is Nazla.
Okay, sis.
Ya, jaringannya sudah aman ya, Sis Nazla ya?
Sudah, sis.
Ya, tadi Sis Ana udah baca chatnya cuma belum dijawab, sorry ya.
Okay, sis.
Okay, Sis Nazla, there is a problem. My girlfriend or my boyfriend is seeing another people, another man or another woman. I saw a message in their mobile phone. What should I do, Sis Nazla?
You should to discuss about that problem. Discuss it nicely, so your partner, your boyfriend or girlfriend can tell you the truth. Like
that's true or no.
Hmm.
I- like yang yang dilihat itu what the means of of that situation,
Hmm. I
that
see.
that's true or no,
Mhm.
and what the means of that situation, so you can discuss with your boyfriend, sis. With your
No, I see.
boyfriend
I see. So
nicely, yeah,
to start it.
step by step, not we uh speak louder, like not louder, so apa sih, soft spoken.
Okay.
Gitu sis, jadi ya diomongin pelan-pelan gitu. Jadi bisa saling jujur.
Okay. All right. So we can solve the problem together, yeah. Have you ever experienced those situations,
Uh,
Sis?
maybe never, sis.
Never. Okay. Hopefully never, yeah, in the
Yeah,
future.
yes, sis. Hopefully.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sis Nazla.
Thank you, sis.
Right, bro and sis. Ada yang belum nggak ya? Sudah. Kayaknya sudah semua ya. Sis Christian, mau open mic kah? Mau dicoba? Belum ya, oke. Masih mau jadi good listener, nggak apa-apa. Alright, so we have some question after this as usual, bro and sis. I will divide you into breakout room, and this is the list of question. The first one, not question yeah, but it's more about problem, and you have to give a suggestion to the people in the situation. The first one is, I need a car, but I don't have enough money. What should I do? I need a car, aku butuh mobil, but I don't have enough money, tapi gak punya uang yang cukup. What should I do? Apa yang harus saya lakukan? And then number two, I want to get rich quickly. Get rich quickly itu kayak jadi kaya dengan cepat. What should I do? And the next, I always come late. Aku selalu datang terlambat. What should I do? The next one, number four, I gained a lot of weight in last few years. Aku bertambah banyak berat badannya tuh bertambah banyak, weight itu berat badan. In last few years, di beberapa tahun terakhir. I want to lose at least 10 kilograms. Aku mau menghilangkan berat badan itu at least setidaknya 10 kilogram. What should I do? Apa yang harus aku lakukan? Number five, I feel lonely and don't have many friends. Lonely itu kayak kesepian, merasa hampa gitu. I don't have many friends karena nggak punya banyak teman. What should I do? Apa yang harus dilakukan? And then number six, I keep procrastinating. Procrastinating itu artinya menunda-nunda. Aku terus-menerus procrastinating, menunda-nunda, and missing deadline. Missing di sini artinya kayak terlewat, kehilangan waktu gitu, kehilangan kesempatan. Missing the deadline, kelewatan deadline. Apa yang harus dilakukan? Number seven, I want to improve my English. Aku ingin improve, meningkatkan bahasa Inggrisku, but don't know how to practice consistently. Tapi tidak tahu bagaimana untuk practice latihan secara konsisten. What should I do? Apa yang harus aku lakukan? Number eight, I always feel stressed and overwhelmed. Aku selalu merasa stress dan overwhelmed. Overwhelmed itu apa ya bahasa Indonesianya? Burnout, itu masih bahasa Inggris. Kewalahan kali ya, keadaan di mana karena terlalu banyak yang dipikirkan, jadi kayak jenuh gitu, kewalahan itu overwhelmed. What should I do? Apa yang harus aku lakukan? I want to travel the world. Aku pengen travel, jalan-jalan berkeliling dunia. But I don't have enough saving. Tapi aku nggak punya tabungan yang cukup. What should I do? Apa yang seharusnya aku lakukan? Gitu. Alright. That's all the question for today. And I will divide you now to the breakout room. You can go there right now, bro and sis. Okay, welcome back again to the main room. Alright. Conversation-nya udah selesai, Francis, atau kepotong tadi lagi ngobrolin something?
Tom.
Oke, saya sekarang lagi seru-serunya kayaknya. Ya, but unfortunately the time is up, guys. Sayang sekali waktunya sudah habis ya. So we have
Yes, yes.
class. Yeah, but no worries because tomorrow we still have a meeting. Hopefully tomorrow you will have a more member here. Semoga nanti membernya lebih banyak ya besok.
Amin.
Nah, thank
Okay, sis. Thank you so
Amin.
much.
Okay.
Good
Thank you,
evening.
sis. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you for tonight, Sis Anna.
You.